Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither for f of x is equal to 1 plus 3x cubed minus x to the fifth. So if f is even, then f of negative x is equal to f of x. And if f of x is odd, then f of a negative x is equal to negative f of x. So to find whether f is even or odd, we have to find f of negative x and compare it to f of x. So f of negative x, you just plug in negative x, 1 plus 3 times negative x cubed minus negative x to the fifth. Now we can just solve for this. This is equal to 1 plus 3 times negative x cubed is negative x cubed. So minus 3 x cubed minus negative x to the fifth. The negative is multiplied by the other negative, negative x to the fifth times negative becomes positive x to the fifth. 1 plus 3x cubed minus x to the fifth is not equal to 1 minus 3x cubed plus x to the fifth. Right? These signs are different. Therefore, f of x is not equal to f of negative x. And we can see, is f of negative x equal to negative f of x? Negative f of x is just f of x with negative 1 multiplied by everything. 1 plus 3x cubed minus x to the fifth equals negative 1 minus 3x cubed plus x to the fifth. This is almost the same, but it's negative 1, positive 1. Therefore, f of negative x does not equal negative f of x. And so, since f of x does not equal f of negative x, and f of negative x does not equal negative f of x, f of x is neither even nor odd, for f of x is equal to 1 plus 3x cubed minus x to the fifth.